Are you ready to enjoy today's video? Remember, you need to subscribe to our channel to enjoy our videos. We have new videos every day.
How to impress a girl. Do you want to wow that certain girl? Though you can't control how she feels and make her fall in love with you, you can make yourself seem more desirable to her. Here are 2 methods for impressing a girl. First, for a girl you don't know well, and second, for a girl who says she's only interested in friendship. Impressing a girl you don't know well. 1. Dress to impress. Not only will you look and smell more attractive, taking care of your grooming shows her that you're mature and capable of important daily tasks. Also, pay attention to the style of clothes that she wears, and wear the same style of clothing. This will help her to relate with you and find you overall more attractive. And pay particular attention to these areas. Shower at least once a day. Wash your hair, soap up all over, and rinse off. Use a nice smelling shower scrub as well, something not too feminine, but not too masculine either. Maybe try a smell like mint, or lemon. Keep your mouth clean. Brush twice daily, floss, and use mouthwash. For help in the middle of the day, use breath mints and chewing gum. Manage facial hair by shaving daily. If you're growing facial hair, make sure it's trimmed to a uniform length, and not scraggly or unruly. If you tend to have a unibrow, consider plucking any stray hairs over your nose. 2. Be polite. Being well-mannered doesn't mean you're boring, it means you know how to treat other people with respect, a quality most girls want in their boyfriends. Show her you know how to be considerate by doing these things for everyone, not just her. Say please, thank you and you're welcome. As well as asking with a "I'd appreciate it if" or "I would like for you." If someone is walking through a door behind you, hold it open for him or her. Avoid cursing or saying anything crude in public, or in mixed company. It's fine to relax a little around your friends, but try to show your best side around people you don't know well. 3. Think before you speak. Everyone slips up and says stupid things, but try your best to limit it when you're around this girl. Take a few seconds to evaluate what you're going to say before you spit it out. Don't talk up other girls. You might think making her jealous is a good idea, but steer clear. Discussing the looks of other girls in front of her will make you seem shallow and fickle. As far as she knows, she's the only one you're interested in. Avoid coming off as a bully. Don't throw out careless insults or put other people down, even if they're meant to be funny. She might not be able to pick up on your humorous tone and take your words at face value. 4. Pay her a sincere compliment. One thing you should say when you're around her is a nice, genuine compliment. It's not as difficult as it seems. Here's what to do. Do it semi-privately. You don't have to get her completely alone to pay her a compliment, but try not to do it with all of her friends or your friends listening closely. You could also pull it off in a text or instant message. 5. Make her feel special. Find little ways to let her know that you think she's an extraordinary person, and she'll definitely notice. Don't ignore her or play hard to get. If she texts you, text back. If she wants to talk, try to make the time even if it's slightly inconvenient. Go out of your way to help her. If she could use a hand with something, offer your assistance. It could be carrying heavy or cumbersome items, going with her to run an errand, or talking to her through a difficult situation.